Hi, this is Solid Coast Designs. Please excuse my voice, I caught a weird cold, and it's made me speak like a robot. Anyway, let's do this. So if you're in Illustrator and you want to cut a word out from a shape, this is how you do it. I'll just get rid of that example. Grab the Shape tool. Drag yourself out a rectangle. We'll go with yellow as it contrasts nicely with the background. Let's now grab the Type tool. Write a word. Let's go with capitals. Let's make that a bit bigger. Press Shift as you drag so it keeps the proportions correct. At the moment it's editable text. But we want to make it a shape so that we can manipulate it like a shape. The easiest way to do that is Ctrl, Shift and O, or Command and Shift on a Mac. The other way to do it is to go to Type and create outlines. It's grayed out now because we've already created the outlines. From there, just select the shape and the letters together. When both are selected, go to the Pathfinder tool and select the second one in, called -front. Bang, it's done. Easy. Another way of doing it is like this. Let's press Ctrl and Z to undo. You can use the Shape Builder tool, which is really useful. When you grab the Shape Builder tool, the cursor shows a little plus sign. But if you want to cut things out, hold down the Alt key and the plus changes to a minus. You can then click away and get rid of whatever you want. You have a little more control that way. Okay guys, hope that was useful. Peace to all my human and robot friends. I'm not a robot myself though, of course. I just have robot friends. They think I'm one of them because I do a good robot impression, and I can body pop like it's 1984. What are they like?